I mean, debt isn't a dirty word anymore. And I mean, we always used to be scared of debt and guys wanted to be debt free. And that was kind of where they were shooting for. For us, it's all about return on investment now. So when we're looking at deals, and as Grant said, cash is king. I don't want to spend cash. In fact, if I can use equity on other land to do the down payment for new land, that's where I'm going. Because again, Chris, land is an appreciating asset and it's an investment. So for me, I don't use cash unless I truly have to because I want cash to be aside for operations. If we're going to take on that 25% expansion, it costs a little bit more money to put the crop in than it used to. So for us, we keep the cash, utilize debt as much as we can, fix our interest rates as long as we can. I mean, interest rate swaps have come around the last few years, and I mean, if you'd done it back during our pandemic years, you'd have probably had, some very attractive 2% rates for long term. But even now, I mean, we're looking at 5% for 10 years. And I mean, that to me is not a bad rate. So you get rid of your interest rate risk. I'm okay having debt on the balance sheet as long as it's on appreciating assets. If we're talking equipment, no, I don't like loading up debt just so you have massaging seats. So